people, you know, I try to do them a favor and let them pay out their rent and their house and stuff. If they don't pay, I come and get them. I mean, that's just what I do. Come on. Come on.
Hello?
Where's my rent money?
I'm only 5 cents short this month, sir.
Where's my rent money?
I don't have it.
I'm taking my house.
No, please, sir, please.
I'm taking my house.
Please, sir, that's all I got. That's all I got. Please, sir. That's all I got. Don't do this to me. My family's gonna be on the street. Please.
Get out of the